Hello everyone! I am Miko Jitisan. Nandito ako para ano nga ba talaga ang benepisyo ng ICT and multimedia in the 21st century? So, let's go! First of all, what is multimedia? Multimedia refers to use of various forms of media to convey information or entertainment. This includes text, audio, images, video, and interactive content. Multimedia enables the creation of engaging and dynamic presentations, educational materials, advertisements, games, and more. Next is ICT or Information Communication Technologies. ICT encompasses the technologies and tools to use to handle and communicate information. This includes computers, the internet, telecommunication devices, and software applications. ICT facilitates the processing, storage, retrieval, and transmission of data, making it essential in fields such as education, business, healthcare, and social interaction. Tapos natin napakilala ang multimedia and ICT, tutungo tayo ano nga ba talaga ang benepisyo ng multimedia and ICT in 21st century sa Pilipinas. We have 8 benefits. First is enhanced communication. ICT tools like social media, email, video conferencing, and instant messaging have made communication faster, easier, and more efficient, connecting to people across the globe. Second is educational and learning. Multimedia and ICT have transformed education, engaging interactive and engaging learning experiences through a learning platform like virtual classroom and educational apps. Students can access a wealth of information and resources online. The third is work and productivity. ICT has streamlined business processes, improving productivity and collaboration through tools like project management software, cloud computing, and online collaboration platforms. Remote work has become more feasible and efficient. The fourth is entertainment and creativity. Multimedia technologies have revolutionized an entertainment industry, offering new ways to create and consume content. Digital art, video editing, music production, and gaming have all been enhanced by ICT. The fifth is access to information. The internet provides instant access to a vast amount of information, enabling research, knowledge sharing, and staying updated with the current event. ICT tools also facilitate data analysis and decision making. The sixth is healthcare. ICT has improved healthcare through telemedicine, electronic health records, and health monitoring apps, making healthcare services more accessible and efficient. The seventh is economic growth. ICT has driven economic growth by creating new industries, job opportunities, and markets. It also enables small businesses to reach a global audience and to complete the digital economy. Lastly, social impact. ICT has empowered individuals and communities by providing platforms for advocacy, social movements, and raising awareness about important issues. It has also facilitated access to government service and e-governance. That's all the benefits of multimedia and ICT in the 21st century. Thank you for watching.